Chinese people are fit, I must say. Too much into fitness and sports. भैया मेरी तो हालत यही टाइट हो रही है पहुंचने से पहले ही थक गई मैं. Oh, I'm relieved. I'll get tickets offline. I was so worried because they were saying you have to book it online. Wow! I don't know how fast this would be. This is like 10 kilometers per hour. Neighboring friends here. आपका नाम? Anish. He took good pictures of me, yeah. When you are a solo traveler, getting a good picture clicked at an iconic place is a difficulty. But he helped me. Ni hao. Ni hao. Completely mesmerized and beautiful. And this is not less than a dream come true. I mean, it will be a small thing for many, but it is honestly a big thing for me. I used to dream of coming here and today I'm here. Good morning everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is gonna be really exciting for me because this is what the whole China trip was about. I'm heading to visit one of the 7 wonders of the world, or you can say 8 wonders of the world, the Great Wall of China, for which even the country China is very famous. I've just exited from the station. Jishua, that's how they pronounce it maybe. I'm using public transport to go to the Great Wall of China. It's very easy and simple. I'm telling you, the metro is very simpler here and very convenient option and reasonable choice too. So I paid 4 yuan to come to this metro station, and from here I'll be taking bus 877. I think this is the bus station. The last bus leaves at 12 in the afternoon. We are on time. It's 9:30 in the morning. So let me just find the bus station. I was checking on maps, it shows 500 meters. 886. That's it. English? Bus. How much? 2 minutes? Walk. Okay. You're also going? Okay. Let's go together. The gentleman is also going the same way where I'm going. So yeah, we'll be entering the Great Wall of China through Badalinga entrance. There are many entrances. Badalinga is a pretty crowded one, that's what I've heard. But then it'll be good for me because I would want to click pictures there. So maybe I'll ask some tourists or some people around to click my picture. That's the most crowded place. And you can also take sorry, here? Okay, this. Thank you. Oh, 877, alright. So the bus will come here. The lady just told me I have to cross a bridge and go that side. That's where I'll get the bus from. Not from here. Okay. Yeah, 877912. It's from here. So basically this is the bus station. We have to catch 877 bus. Oh. बहुत लंबी वॉक है भैया, चल के पागल हो जाऊंगी मैं. वॉक ही खत्म नहीं हो रही है यहाँ. Look at this. We don't have time actually. That old uncle is faster than me, yaar. It's because of my dress that I'm wearing. I'm not able to walk faster. Chinese people are fit, I must say. Too much into fitness and sports. I think I've arrived. Yeah. How do we? We have to cross from there again. Oh. What if we would? If this was India, we would have jumped from here somewhere. Yeah, very hot. Oh my God. Uncle is crossing. We'll follow him. Oh, it's written. Badaling Great Wall. 872 Oasis. That is the one. We've arrived. Oh.
这次就趁着 8
Change your place. Thank you. I've taken the ticket for 12 RMB and now we are going inside the bus. This is a canal passing behind me. Okay, let's not waste time. Reaching public transport, 877. It's an air-conditioned bus. I'll sit behind or front. I'm confused. Let's sit behind. Oh, let's sit in the front. We are leaving now. The bus is full. It will take 1 or 30 minutes for us to reach the Badaling entrance of Great Wall of China. It's approximately 70 kilometers from here. Everyone got excited and removed their camera. I see the Great Wall of China from here. The bus has dropped us here. We have to walk ahead.
等他们一下吧，等他们一下，他们扫了。
Let me ask for tickets first.
Yeah, ticket on the K-Park, on the sliding car.
But I can get ticket offline, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Shashe. Wow, I'm relieved. I'll get tickets offline. I was so worried because they were saying you have to book it online. So there is no cable car here. It's just a sliding car and they charge you 120 RMB for that. So I will go through sliding car. Otherwise it's too far. I mean it will take hours for us to reach shop. So now they've utilized this counter for offline tickets to enter the Great Wall of China. Because for foreigners it's difficult, I mean, to book tickets online. Someone who doesn't have WeChat, Alipay, or who doesn't have any friend here in China. So yeah, I'm glad they opened up a counter here. Thank you, Shashi. Alright, I got the ticket. So they have opened an offline booking counter here, ticket counter here. Let me just take the sliding car ticket now. Thank you.
这是 two ways. Hello， 这是 two ways up and down.
Going and coming?
Up and down. Yes, yes, yes. Up and down. Yes, two ways.
Oh, it's two ways.
我买一个观缆车的啥呀？这是为那个八达岭 Bear Park。
Bay Park.
Bear Park inside by sliding car go up.
Okay. 谢谢。
关式缆车，就小孩的。
So it's going and coming. It's a return ticket, 120 RMB. Let's go without wasting any time. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We started taking pictures here. All right. First time I see unisex toilet here. Okay. Walking towards the sliding car. My God, I ate something in the morning. Oh, I forgot my water bottle there. भैया मेरी तो हालत यही टाइट हो रही है. पहुंचने से पहले ही थक गई मैं. पता नहीं where is this sliding car? I'm already tired before reaching. Oh my God. Oh, this here it is. Okay.
在前面也看到了。上边烤的杯子上
Oh.
21个，要上，右边20个针，要上烤的水上。
This place? Yeah. Sure. Reached the sliding car. There's a queue. Okay, let's sit.
来，这里，这里，上车了。来，你来坐，你坐，我伺候。
Ready? This is not tight, yeah? Will it come out? I don't know. Wow! I don't know how fast this would be. This is like 10 kilometers per hour. Wow! Watch your step.
老朋友，楼楼大石腰，大家找我来身份证。
我爸在哪？你这才在哪？来车了！你可以肯定他在门口。
Guys, I am finally at the Great Wall of China, which you all already know is one of the wonders of the world, and there's no doubt about it, because you see how unbelievably it is spread over 21,000 kilometers with approximately 25,000 watchtowers. You see those watchtowers there. I'll take you there. I'll give you a closer look of that. But it took them around 2,000 years to build this iconic wall. They don't refer to it as a wall because it was basically a fortification by various dynasties, and then later the Qing dynasty, the Qing or the Ming dynasty, they merge all these fortifications, and that's why it's called Great Wall of China. I'll walk as much as I can, but we shouldn't forget that the cable car is there. So the farther I go, I have to come back as well. This is the 5th tower of the north side. So we are inside one of the watchtowers. Let me show you. Hello. Hello. Hi. You're so beautiful. So are you? Shasha. We are at one of the watchtowers in the north section. And you see, you get a good view of the Great Wall of China. I mean, how difficult it would have been for them to build this iconic thing. I mean, it's not a straight line, it's curvy, it's wavy. The wall is up and down, it's like a wave. This is steel, this is brick. They've used different materials to build a watchtower. This looks like a stone or a cement. And that is wood up there, the roof. And the view is mesmerizing from here. Wow. Also, the weather is pleasant. It is not sunny at all today. So I'm blessed, or I'm glad that I'm here when it's not sunny at all. You see the clouds here. It's getting foggy. Let's walk up.
Kita dah ada macam ni, boleh? Boleh macam. Bluetooth on हो रहा है जो यार चलिए.
Bluetooth नहीं, AirDrop. हाँ, अभी आएगा. प्रिया करके आएगा. We've got our neighboring friends here. आपका नाम? Anish. He took good pictures of me. When you are a solo traveler, getting a good picture clicked at an iconic place is a difficulty. But he helped me. Oh no. Priya. Thank you very much. Alright, look at this. This is indeed a never-ending wall. There are approximately 16 passes from east to west of China. And that's the cable car there. The labor of work that has been put into to make this iconic wonder of the world is just incredible. And also, you know, I mean, it involves a lot of efforts and capital to preserve this. Because I mean, there are thousands of visitors every day coming in, and you have to maintain it. Wow. I'm loving this weather and the view. Alright, I'm getting down now. Getting down isn't tough at all. But getting up is. walking up, sorry. You see the flag of China? That's why I entered from. And then we took a sliding car and we came up. And then we went all over till there. And again we are here. Let's get back to where we came from. Let's go down. Very sweet child. All right. That is it from the Great Wall of China. We've got a souvenir shop here in case someone wants to purchase something. How much is this one? 10. What is this? Oh, this is for acupuncture or acupressure or sujok. This is pen. I used to play with this when I was small. It's for 15 RMB. Got a binocular. This is the Chinese dragon. Pretty fancy item. She's printing his name on her. What is he doing? Wow. Okay, so he has made all of this. How much?
This one,
Yeah.
150. 150.
Oh, okay. And he has carved this on this stone.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, yeah.
India.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, this is very nice. This is it from the Great Wall of China. We are walking down, heading back. And this is not less than a dream come true. I mean, it will be a small thing for many, but it is honestly a big thing for me. I used to dream of coming here and today I'm here. Anyways, I'll end my vlog here itself, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I shall see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ni hao. Ni hao. You from China?
Yes.
Ah, nice. All right.